Illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today, in celebration of Chinese New Year and the Year of the Horse, I'm going to teach you how to draw a horse character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials and let's get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our horse illustration. The first thing that we want to do is we want to make a really big oval, and this will be our horse's eyeball. We're going to build our character around this, add a pupil in here. All right, we're going to add our horse's mane. So we're going to make a series of points that are going to look like the hair that comes off of our horse's head. So we first want to make a slightly curved diagonal line. And then we'll make a series of points here to create the rest of its hair. So you'll see that we've ended here about the same place that we started in terms of a vertical, like an imaginary vertical line here. All right, we're going to add the front ear. So we're going to essentially follow this first line that we made and come up and back down. So that makes a triangle shape for that front ear. And then we'll see a little bit of the back ear poking up from behind the mane there on the other side. All right, we're going to add the snout next. A little curved line here. And then we'll follow up here with a diagonal line. Now, we're going to add a little nostril here on the nose. And an eyebrow here above the eye. Now we're going to continue the rest of the mane coming out from behind this front ear here. Same thing as before, we're going to use a series of these points to create this effect. All right, now from here, we're going to start working on the horse's body. We want a diagonal line that comes down and curves slightly in here. And we're going to start with the first leg. I want to connect these two with a zigzag line, and then we'll show the hoof coming out here. And this front leg is going to be kicking up slightly. Another zigzag line. And we'll follow that up with another hoof. All right, next we're going to work on the bottom of the horse's body. So it's like we're going to continue this line and we're going to come down and make like its belly down here. And that will lead us to our third leg here. And of course, another hoof. And the fourth leg we'll see coming from the other side here. So we'll see it slightly less than the rest of the legs. And of course, end with the fourth hoof right there. Now we'll finish out the horse's body by making a slightly curved line up and then coming across for its back. So we're going to start by making a curved line that comes up. And then we want to come in for the horse's back. So 1 and 2. And my favorite part is getting to draw the tail. So we're going to use the same technique that we used to make the mane to make the tail. Drawing a series of points, this time in that fun curved shape. All right, illustrators, so there we have our horse character outlined. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and grab your markers, crayons, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. There we have our horse characters. Great job today. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators. I am so impressed. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!